Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem counterintuitive: how to make money during a stock market crash. That's right, when others are panicking, there are actually opportunities to profit. Remember, this is not financial advice. 1. Embrace the power of short selling. Short selling is a technique used by investors to profit from the decline in the price of a stock. During a market crash, when fear and uncertainty grip the market, stock prices often plummet. This presents an opportunity for savvy investors to capitalize on these downward movements. Here's how short selling works in practice. Firstly, you borrow shares of a stock from your broker with the intention of selling them at the current market price. This initial step is essentially a bet that the stock price will decrease in the future. As the stock price drops, you can buy back the shares at the lower price and return them to your broker, pocketing the difference in price as your profit. It's essentially the opposite of the traditional buy low, sell high strategy. However, it's crucial to understand that short selling comes with inherent risks. Unlike buying a stock, where your potential losses are limited to the amount you invested, short selling has unlimited downside potential. If the stock price rises instead of falling, you could face significant losses. To mitigate these risks, it's essential to conduct thorough research and analysis before initiating a short position. Look for stocks with weak fundamentals, deteriorating financials, or overvalued prices. Additionally, consider implementing stop-loss orders to limit your losses if the trade goes against you. Short selling requires a high level of skill, discipline, and risk management. It's not suitable for inexperienced investors or those with a low tolerance for risk. However, when executed correctly, short selling can be a powerful tool for generating profits in a declining market. Before we go to our second tip, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 2. Invest in safe haven assets. Safe haven assets are investments that are perceived as relatively low risk and tend to retain their value or even appreciate during times of market turmoil. When stock markets crash, investors often seek refuge in these assets as a means of preserving their wealth and reducing portfolio volatility. Here are some examples of safe haven assets and why investors flock to them during turbulent times. Gold. Gold has been a store of value for centuries and is considered a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. During market crashes, the demand for gold typically increases as investors seek safe haven assets to protect their wealth. Government bonds, particularly those issued by stable and creditworthy countries, are considered one of the safest investments available. They offer fixed interest payments and the return of principal at maturity, making them attractive during periods of economic uncertainty. Cash and cash equivalents, such as money market funds and short-term treasury bills, provide liquidity and stability to investors' portfolios during volatile market conditions. While they may offer lower returns compared to other investments, they offer a high level of safety and liquidity. 3. Dollar cost averaging into quality stocks. During a stock market crash, the prices of many high-quality stocks often decline significantly, presenting an opportunity for long-term investors to accumulate shares at discounted prices. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, is a strategy that involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. By employing DCA during a market downturn, investors can take advantage of lower prices and potentially reduce the impact of market volatility on their investment returns. Here's how dollar cost averaging works. Start by deciding how much money you're willing to invest in the stock market over a specific period. Identify companies with strong fundamentals, solid business models, and competitive advantages. These companies are more likely to weather market downturns and emerge stronger in the long run. Allocate a fixed amount of money to invest at regular intervals, such as monthly or quarterly. Regardless of market fluctuations, continue investing the predetermined amount according to your schedule. By doing so, you'll automatically buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, potentially lowering your average cost per share over time. Dollar cost averaging helps mitigate the risk of investing a large sum of money at the wrong time, known as market timing. Instead of trying to predict market movements, investors focus on steadily accumulating shares in quality companies over the long term. 4. Capitalize on market volatility with options trading. Options trading is a sophisticated strategy that allows investors to profit from market volatility during a stock market crash. Options contracts give the buyer the right, but not the obligation, to buy, call option, or sell, put option. a specific asset at a predetermined price, strike price, within a specified period, expiration date. Here are 2 common options trading strategies that can be employed during a market crash. Protective put. A protective put involves buying a put option on a stock you already own to hedge against potential losses. If the stock price declines, the put option increases in value, offsetting the losses on the underlying stock. This strategy provides downside protection while allowing investors to participate in any potential upside. Selling covered calls. Selling covered calls involves writing, selling, call options on stocks you own in exchange for a premium. If the stock price remains below the strike price until expiration, the option expires worthless, and you keep the premium as profit. If the stock price rises above the strike price, you may be required to sell your shares at the predetermined price, limiting your potential upside but still generating income from the premium received. Options trading requires a deep understanding of options mechanics, market dynamics, and risk management strategies. It's essential to educate yourself thoroughly and consider seeking guidance from a professional financial advisor before engaging in options trading. While options can provide opportunities for enhanced returns, they also entail significant risks and are not suitable for all investors. And there you have it, our top 4 tips for making money during a stock market crash. Remember to always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.